In the previous video, we walked through Google Opal, what it is, and even built our very first Google Opal application where it suggested what we should wear for our Liverpool to London trip and even going for a run when we get back before we get home. In this video, what we're doing is a little bit different. We're building something from scratch. We've talked about what Opal in the previous one. Go watch it in one of the cards right above now. So what we're doing in today's video is actually build something that is a little bit more practical. We will be building an AI-based meeting summarizer that will also give action points when it summarizes the transcripts. So what it's going to do is pretty simple. We will take a transcript file or paste it in, and then it goes through the process to summarize the meeting and generate action points, and we're supposed to take those actions. Let's get started. Remember, the website to be able to do this is opal.withgoogle.com. So let's get started creating our AI-based meeting summarizer. We'll go on to create new. We'll give it a name, AI meeting summarizer, and we'll give it a prompt to be able to perform the transcription for us. I have previewed this prompt, so we're gonna put that in right now. And the prompt says, your meeting summarizer, take this full transcript and give me a 5-line meeting summary, a bulleted list of clear, actionable next steps, format everything in clean Markdown, and don't include intros and apologies. Just give me the Markdown outputs. And that's that right there. You can go to the console to actually see the thought process and everything. You can go through and see the steps. So this is the steps you're going to think through. So let's go ahead and actually see what it's done for us. So it took an input as a meeting transcript, which could be a text file that you upload, doc, PDF, you name it, and then does a summary from that transcript. That is exactly what we pasted in. We told it to read the transcript, 5-line summary, review the summary, extract clear action points, and format that from the input, which is the transcript right here, and then display the meeting summary as an HTML, well, of course, Markdown here. So let's go ahead and actually run the application. So what we can do is we can paste in the meeting summary. This is one I've pre-copied, so I'll show you how to upload this also. So we'll go ahead and post that in, and in a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on how long the meeting transcript is, it's gonna go ahead and generate an action point, a summary, and whatever we put in the prompt for it to do for us. So this is it, the summary. The DevOps team reviewed recent incidents, blah 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 blah. Goes through all that. Next steps. Easy peasy. It just works. Prompt to action. No fuss. Now let's walk through the process of actually uploading that same transcript file. We'll go and refresh this. We'll click on start. We'll upload the file from anywhere. Okay. So we upload the file from the device here. We'll go to downloads folder and upload. And we'll see magic happen again, just like that. And it's done. Well, it formatted it a little bit different now, but you get the idea, you get the gist. Of course, we could become more strict with it. In the further videos, we'll actually go through how to make this really work the way we want it to work. But that is not the purpose of today's video. We just want to build something that summarizes stuff for us as part of the possibilities of what you can build with Google Opal. Now, that is the magic. You can format the prompt as you want it here. You can modify it and tell it to do whatever, add more inputs. For example, you can add more input sources here. You can do drag and drop. You can literally even also tell it, okay, let's delete this. Let's ask it to have a prompt attribute. We can also modify the format. So make this Markdown Notion compatible with toggle blocks. Let's see the magic it does with that one. I have not tried that part out, but let's see how it transforms this to make that possible. I think it's done it. Yeah, Notion compatible is here. So let's go ahead and run it now. I'm just going to upload the file. And we'll see magic happen. It's not exactly magic, you know what I mean. She's taking that input, doing the summary, and then generating the extracts for us. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. You see, ain't this beautiful? It's even formatted it much more properly now. You see, that is our first full usable application of Google Opal. So if you in a meeting where you're not recording, you can transcribe the meeting and then just slam the transcript in here, and then it generates action points for you, which I think is pretty nice. You don't have to go break the bank to be able to do this in the future. Now, that is the cool summary of one of the things you can build with Google Opal. It's simply a meeting summarizer in one prompt and you're good to go. If you want to see further videos like this one, you know what to do. Subscribe, like. I'm not going to tell you all that fuss and stuff. But if you want me to do specific use cases of what you think is possible with Google Opal, let me in the comment section and I'll get to you as soon as possible. But till I come your way again with another video on Google Opal, you can check out some of my other videos where I actually go through talking about real life DevOps stuff, coding, cloud, and I do review and unboxing gadgets on this channel. But till I do that again in the future, go watch all these videos and I'll see you again in another one. Cheer up.